Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Mary, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this little ornament. I call it an ugly sweater Christmas ornament because that's basically what it is. And I'm going to show y'all how I made this, and basically all I used was an old pair of sweatpants to make this, and some pipe cleaners, some felt. And I have some templates here that I drew, and then I traced them out. This would be the front and the back, and this would be the sleeve that I drew and traced out. And y'all, I'm sorry if I'm not showing myself. I don't feel all that great. You probably can hear it in my voice that I have a cold. So yeah, that just came on really quick. I had been not feeling good for the past couple days, and I woke up this morning with a sore throat, and yeah. So sorry about that. So we just gonna go ahead and jump into the video. What I did was, like I mentioned, I took my template that I have here, and I just basically set it on top of my red sweats, and I just basically traced the shape and then cut it out with scissors. And I didn't unfold it. I left it folded just like it is. And I did the same thing with the sleeves that I have here. So what you're going to do, and you can sew this or you can hot glue it. I'm going to hot glue everything. So basically we're just going to go ahead and we're just going to stick that in. And it's going to be, actually, you know what? What did I do with my scissors? Well, I guess I don't need them. So I'm going to go ahead now and just fold. I'm just going to go ahead and fold this over and put some hot glue in, but I'm just going to do this. So I'm going to go ahead, put a little bit of hot glue here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take this side, this flat side, and we're just going to put it here to make sure that it's flush. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So I'm just going to put some hot glue here. And you don't need a lot. And we're just going to go ahead and put this down just like this. And this is what we have. And then I am going to go ahead and take this, and we're just going to fold it over just like this. So we're just going to put a little bit of hot glue here, and we're just going to fold it over, and we're going to do the same thing here, and we're just going to go ahead and fold it over. And now we're going to go ahead and just take a little bit of hot glue, and we're just going to go ahead and pull it down, and we're just going to fold it over here to make the sleeves. And if you get a little glue on it like I did, it's fine. It'll dry. When it dries, it'll come right off. And now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Just going to put a little bit of hot glue on here, and we're just going to go ahead and fold that over. And this is what we have. Now we're going to take this and we're just going to fold this up. And you can see our sweater is starting to take shape. So we're just going to go ahead and line everything up. Just like this. And then we're just going to go ahead and turn it over. And now we're going to go ahead, and you can it all depends on what side you like best. You can leave it on this side or you can turn it over. it really doesn't matter. I think I'm just going to go ahead and peel off this hot glue that I have on the sleeve. Okay. So basically just depends on what side you want. I think I'm going to go with this side. So now I'm going to take my scissors and we're just going to take this felt and we're just going to cut a triangle out, which is going to be the tree. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm just cutting a triangle out. And I'm going to set that out of the way. And this is what I cut out, a triangle. And I'm just going to put it right smack in the middle of my Christmas tree. So, of my sweater. Sorry about that. And we're just going to stick that right down there. That's what we have. And next, I'm going to take my scissors. And I got a piece of felt here that I colored brown because I didn't have brown. So, and I'm just going to cut a piece out. And this is going to be the bottom part of our Christmas tree. So we're just going to put a little bit of hot glue here. And be careful when using hot glue. You do not want to burn yourself like I did. That's what this is. I burnt myself pretty bad. And this is what we have so far. So now that we have that, it's time to start decorating our tree. And since we have a red sweater, I'm going to go with green pipe cleaner. And I'm just going to go ahead and measure where I want to cut. Selects a good place. And I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue across here. And we're just going to stick that right down on here. Like that. And I'm going to do the same thing. Let's move this to the bottom. Grab my scissors. Cut it. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and stick this right across here. And we're just going to stick that there. Now, I'm going to go ahead with the red. And I'm going to make a border of red across like I did this one. So we're just going to grab the red. And I am just going to go ahead and see if I want to do it this way. So we're just going to cut that. And I'm just bending it so it'll take its shape. Or maybe, I don't know, let me see here. Let's play around with this for a minute. Okay. We're going to go ahead and do this. Stick that on. Just like this. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So I'm just going to grab our hot glue. And we're just going to go ahead. When I first made the first sweater and I posted it to my crafting group, I was really trying for an ugly sweater, but it actually was kind of cute. I wouldn't wear it, but it was cute. And this is what we have so far. And now we're going to go ahead and add some blue on the Christmas tree. So we're just going to put a little bit of hot glue across there. Stick that on like this. And then I am going to do blue or silver. And we're just going to stick that across here like that. And I think I want to, I would have to grab me some more red, another red pipe cleaner, but I don't really want to stop my video to get it, so we're just going to go ahead and go in with blue again. And stick that there. And I'm going to use some of the silver tin or pipe cleaner for the star on top. This is what we have so far. I have to admit, this is looking pretty cute. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put some tin foil on the sleeve, or pipe cleaner on the sleeves. And I am going to try to post. I can't post a video every day. I just don't have the time for that. But I will be trying to post Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays starting today. So I'm going to be trying to post 3 times out of the week. If I have some spare time, then I will go ahead and try to post more videos, but it's kind of hard to do a video every week. I got a lot of projects going on, and I do a lot of crafting events, so I don't always have time to try to post a video or get one done, and that's not y'all's fault. But I try to keep my subscribers happy, so I try to post as much as I can, but it's going to be extremely busy for the next couple months. So I know I have Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays open, so that's when I'm going to be filming a video. Wednesdays is normally the day that I normally film my videos, but yeah, I'm going to try to get a couple more days of videos in for y'all. And now we're going to do one more over here. And then I'll make the hanger for it, because it has to be able to hang on the tree by something. So we're going to make, and I've made the sweaters before. If you watched my video of the laundry room in a bottle, I've actually done a video on that. So now I'm just going to take some random pieces of tin or pipe cleaner, and I'm just going to cut them in tiny pieces, and I'm just going to glue them down on the shirt. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut these as small as I can get them so they don't be overly big. And then we're going to do, alright, so we're just going to stick little dots of glue, and we're just going to put these pipe cleaners on in random places. Let's see, let's do blue here. I think that's good enough. And this is what we have. And we're going to go ahead and do our hanger. So I'm going to go open, it's just a paper clip. And all I'm going to do is open the paper clip all the way. And we're just going to bend this part up like this. Just going to bend it. And we're just going to go ahead and push that over. And I'm going to bend this part back a little. And then I am going to go ahead and bend this in back this way, and then we're just going to curve this. I don't know how well you can see this, and we're just going to curve this part over like this. And I'm going to try this little again. We're just going to bend it. There we go. Alright. So we have that. And here is our little hanger. And we're just going to go ahead and stick this in here. And we're going to go ahead, put this in just like this. And I am going to go ahead and take my glue gun, and we're just going to add a little bit. I'm going to pull this out a little. And we're just going to add a little hot glue. Seal it there. This is just going to keep this from slipping out. And there you have it. Your ugly Christmas sweater ornament. And we've made 2. And you can make these as big or as small as you like. This is the one I made off camera. And here's the one that I just did. I hope you can see this okay. And yeah, this is the ugly Christmas sweater ornament. If you like this video, please give me a like, a thumbs up. Please feel free to share my videos. That would be a big help. Thank you so much. And once again, thank you for taking the time out to watch my videos. And I hope you all have a very nice day. Once again, thank you for watching, and bye.